Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best bedroom armoires that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Songmikes 67-inch Wardrobe Armoire Closet Clothes Storage. This easy-to-assemble bedroom armoire with a 67-inch length helps you to store several accessories close to your hands. The closet system also consists of 12 shelves and 2 pairs of side pockets. Therefore, you can keep your garments, shoes, accessories, bags, boxes, toys, books, and more. Moreover, the wardrobe with 16 mm iron tube construction offers heavy load-bearing capacity. So, this closet does not easily dent or bend. With the help of quick PP plastic connectors, these iron tubes also offer easy joining. Furthermore, the side shelves help users to keep their garments protected from slipping. The raised legs of this armoire keep the floor space clutter-free to provide hassle-free cleaning. At number 4. Bedroom Armoires 67 inches Portable Clothes Closet Wardrobe. This space-saving bedroom armoire makes assembly like a breeze for everyone. With a length of 67 inch, this portable closet system also offers plenty of space. Therefore, you can use this closet system for keeping your daily accessories, garments, and other items. Moreover, the heavy-duty steel tubes with plastic connectors make installation hassle-free. This collapsible, portable armoire also completely folds down. So, this portable closet system makes an ideal choice for the people who have to shift quite often. Furthermore, the armoire has a hanging rod and 6 roomy shelves. The non-woven fabric cover with waterproof fabric tiers prolongs the lifespan of this armoire. The zippered cover of this closet protects gears from water and dust. At number 3. YOZO Modular Wardrobe Clothes Portable Storage. This bedroom armoire makes customization easy for individuals. The cubby shelving of this closet system also consists of 8 pieces of cubes. Moreover, this space-saving wardrobe is ideal for placing in your bedroom, living room, dressing room, and other spaces. The steel frame is both lightweight and durable to extend the lifespan of this closet system. With the help of poly-resin cover, the armoire also offers protection to your accessories from dust and water. Furthermore, the resin cover itself is resistant to dust and water. So, you can keep this closet system clean. The 150 pieces of included cable ties help you to secure the structure of this armoire. This modular wardrobe is sturdier than the fabric wardrobes. At number 2. Songmikes 59-inch Closet. This 59-inch long bedroom armoire comes with zippered, rolled covers for 3 different sections. These covers also keep your belongings safe from dust and water. Moreover, the dustproof covers make cleaning easier for users. This DIY cube storage organizer makes assembly lesser hectic for homemakers. The covers of this wardrobe involve the construction of the non-woven fabric. The movable garments hanging rod also lets you hang heavy outfits with ease. Furthermore, this closet system comes along with 12 pieces of storage shelves. The steel tubes with high-quality PP plastic connectors make installation tool-free and trouble-free. From lounger outfits to folded outfits, this modular wardrobe keeps all-season clothes in an organized manner. At number 1. KOUSI Portable Wardrobe Closets. This 56-inch high bedroom armoire makes assembly trouble-free for users. The roomy cube storage organizer also consists of 10 pieces of cubes and 2 hanging sections. Moreover, each of these cubes can hold up to 22 lbs of weight. This DIY wardrobe lets users customize the storage space according to your needs. The eco-friendly resin panels deter water and moisture from keeping belongings protected. You can also use each cube to store 25 pieces of folded shirts of 15 dresses. Furthermore, the PP plastic connectors keep the construction stable at any condition. The strengthened steel frame increases the durability of this modular wardrobe. You can use this armoire to store garments, accessories, shoes, and other belongings. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.